Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so we can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Thursday, March the 20th, heading into long weekend because of Easter. Markets are closed tomorrow for Good Friday, so news flow is light. I've got 3 press releases for you. 2 of them deal with financial results, quarterlies and annuals, which is great. So let's get straight to it. First up, Incentra Solutions trades on the OTC under the stock symbol ICNS. They're announcing fourth quarter and year-end results. Revenues for the fourth quarter increased 123% to $53.6 million. Now, some of that revenue included revenue from acquisitions made earlier in the year. Nonetheless, a great number there. Total revenues for the year, 119% increase to $146 million. And again, some of that had to do with acquisitions, but a year-over-year organic growth on their product side was 17%, on their services side 52%. So they're doing well on both fronts on the organic and acquisition side. Net loss, $11.9 million. That compares to $5.5 million the year before, but we can handle higher net losses as long as you see dramatically increase in revenues, which is what's taking place here. They also gave us an outlook for 2008. Exclusive of any acquisitions, Incentra expects 2008 revenues to be between $200 and $220 million, which is about a 35 to 50% increase over the year that they just reported, and they believe they're going to be cash flow positive for the year. What do? They're a provider of complete IT services and solutions to enterprises and managed service providers in North America and Europe. Pretty general description there, so go take a closer look. They closed yesterday at 85 cents. Next up, Points International trades on both the TSX and the OTC. On the TSX under PTS, on the OTC under PTSEF. They reported record fourth quarter in 2007 financial results. Here are the highlights. Record fourth quarter revenue of $14.2 million. That's up 293%. Record full year revenue of $31.6 million. That's up 170%. Positive EBITDA of $385,000. They're saying this is their first full year of positive EBITDA. Great trend there, Points International. Got to like those numbers. 2008 business outlook. They also provide an outlook as well. Expects to post record revenue and EBITDA for the first quarter of 2008. They're reaffirming 2008 revenue guidance of $65 to $75 million. Now, last year, the year they just completed was 31.6. So you're talking about they're easily expecting another 100% plus revenue growth. Great numbers there, and they're expecting material growth and positive EBITDA for the year next year as well. What do? By the way, they're an owner and operator of Points.com. I like this business. The world's leading reward program management portal. At Points.com, consumers swap, earn, buy, gift, share, and redeem miles and points for more than 25 of the world's leading reward programs. And if you're involved in any of these reward programs, you see immediately why something like this is very valuable, because a lot of times you just can't redeem your points for what you would like you'd like to get. So here you've got American Airlines, American Express, Aeroplan, British Airways Executive Club. You got a whole bunch of companies that are participating in this. Gives you a lot of flexibility, and no wonder customers are taking advantage of it. They closed yesterday at 264, off a 52-week high of 427. So this may be a good entry point because they're obviously hitting some big numbers. Do your own due diligence. And finally, on the resources side, we got VMS Ventures, trades on the Venture Exchange under VMS. They also have a very strong hub on AGORACOM. Not a client, but they do have a community on AGORACOM, very strong one. They're going to be very happy with the numbers that came out today. They released an update from their ongoing exploration program at the the Reed Project Discovery Zone near Snow Lake, Manitoba. Here are some of the highlights. Hole 0826, 21.15 meters, grading 2.5% copper, 3.13% zinc, including 3.6 meters of 7.1% copper, 2.8% zinc, and 9.5 meters of 2.57% copper, 7.22% zinc. They've also got great results out of hole 822, 829, and 834, plus a whole table of results. A good press release here. The company closed yesterday at 66 cents. That's a wrap. As expected, slow news day because we're going into Good Friday tomorrow. So have a fantastic long weekend with your families. Take some time to relax. A lot of gyrations going on in the marketplace right now. You've got deleveraging going on the credit side. Obviously, we've got commodities taking a hit. Is this a trend, or Or is this just profit taking? Not sure which one it is, but you've got markets everywhere in a bearish cycle right now, and a lot of that's probably taking place because we're going into a long weekend, and investors don't want to be exposed. Tune in on Monday when no doubt we're going to have a lot of news again, big news flow cycle. Until then, have a great weekend. Don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Over 90 companies listed by industry and exchange, so you can find ones that are best suited for your portfolio needs. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.